What if we could map and monitor changes on one of the world's longest coastlines? SeaBee will make Norway a global leader in environmental research and data collection. This will be the first time Norway has brought together data scientists, engineers, and natural scientists to revolutionize the way environmental data is gathered and analyzed. How? With drones. Drones are small and portable, have a low carbon footprint, and they are cheaper than the boats and helicopters traditionally used for this kind of research. Drones can access areas that are difficult or dangerous to reach, providing researchers with data that might otherwise be impossible to collect. SeaBee will establish 2 operational nodes, one in Oslo and another in Trondheim, with connecting partners across the country. Not only will this innovative project provide drones with high-resolution sensors for research projects in need of mapping support and train pilots in safe and effective drone operation, but SeaBee will also use cutting-edge machine learning to automate the process of analyzing the gathered data. And when that's done, SeaBee will store and make this data accessible in the cloud. SeaBee, pioneering coastal drone research.